Okay, we did it. Beautiful.
Now I've got you in my...
Good day, everyone. I am planning to cook something, and I'm using this new knife that I have. Right, so I have mushrooms here. Very nice, very sharp. It's brand new knife. Lovely tomatoes. Now let's cut some mushrooms. Fresh looking mushroom, huh? Just a white mushrooms here. This sizes here. Alright, let's continue cutting some mushrooms. Thinking if I should cut some more or not. Let's see. I have one more here that I did not slice, so I can cut some more later if I need to, but for now this is good enough. Okay, I'm gonna put them in a bowl for now. Let's get this one, it's cute. I think it will fit. Oops. Let me place it here for now while I get the meat. Okay, I have 2 chicken breasts I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna show you now how I would do this chicken breast. Stick around and we'll get to the final product. And they look just beautiful as you, or handsome as you. So the same knife, I'm still gonna be using my new Nakano knife. So I'm still loving it so far. Really like it. Thank you, Sataki Cutlery. This is made in Japan. Thank you for sending this my way. Now I'm gonna use this knife to cut this beautifully shaped chicken breast, right? In the middle here, or not middle, here. This side here. Like that. It's like this. I'll be back. Let me wash my hands quick. My aloe vera is doing well. I just used the dome. Splash. Alright, now that we're here, I'm going to get back to working on our beautiful chicken breast. And I will do the same to the other chicken breast. Okay? I'm gonna use this pan. Just get them. We'll get some oil. Just like this. Okay, I'm going to place them here. Okay, wow, beautiful. Right, so I'm going to grab the vegetables. First things first, mushroom. First, we're gonna get this one and stick here. continue. And if you want to try this, you can choose which vegetables you like to stick in that beautiful chicken breast. You can stick anything in that beautiful chicken breast. But during this time, I'm gonna show you what I am going to choose in my chicken breast there. It looks so pretty, right? I need 2 hands to work on this. Very good. Oops, my belly's growling, guys. I just had coffee and oatmeal this morning. It's going to be lunchtime. 11 o'clock, almost. Oops, maybe I'll put the small one here, or the big one in here. Okay. Have some salt, add some rosemary. Oops, rosemary, basil, thyme, paprika, oregano, some black pepper, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Just mix everything together. Working on cheese, this is mozzarella. Basically, this is how thick I want them to be. Look at that. Okay, time to stick the cheese also inside. It's gonna be yummy. Do you like cheese? I love cheese. I know you love cheese also. So that's why I put cheese on there. Okay. That should be good enough, huh? Time to stick this in the oven. Oh, wait. Our mixture of herbs in the oil, we're gonna rub it here. Now that we're here, they are looking so excited to get inside the oven, and I'm gonna help them stick inside the oven. Preheating the oven 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's the last look of them before they go inside the oven. Take a look. Beautiful, right? Let's check the chicken. Okay, looking good. All right, I'm gonna put them in a plate now. They should be ready by now. Plate here. Okay. Oh, it's nice. Okay, what do you think? Looks ready. I'm gonna put it in a plate now and take a bite. See how would it taste. Hope it's delicious because it's looking really delicious right now. Okay, put it in a plate here. So juicy, huh? Okay, so let me cut it here. Okay. It's hot. Be careful. Alright, so this is for you. I'm gonna take a bite now. Thank you for following this cooking session. Stick around and I have something to show you after this. Cheers. Yum. I have this package here and I want to open this with you. I am not sure what this is, but I guess we are going to find out together. I have a knife here I'm using. And ta-dang! I'm opening it now. Can you guess what is this from the look of the handle? Well, it is a blue, and this is looks like a cookware set that I could use. They are really pretty, so I'm so excited. I really like it. Whoever sent this to me, thank you so much. And I think this is a saucepan, very cute. I could really use this in my next cooking video would be. And a bigger saucepan with a cover or lid. Now let's continue opening it from the bubble wrap. How do you think of this? So it looks like I have to put the handle here. To me it looks beautiful. Now I'm gonna try to put the handle, and it comes with the screwdriver. Let's see if I can do this. It's gonna be like this. I think this needs to be done. It looks easy, but I'm gonna try my best. Okay. Thank you for your patience with me. So it looks like, just put the screw there. Are you still with me? Let's see. Okay, I think we got it. Alright. Let's see. Let's go to the other side. Oh wait, I think it's wrong. There we go. Okay. Almost done. Yay, we did it! Now that we're here, it looks really pretty. I put them all together here on the stove so that you can have a full view from everything. So there's a small saucepan, big frying pan, and a large saucepan, and a small frying pan there. And the color is like blue, dark blue. So nothing special much, but it's beautiful, really. From the bottom of my heart, thank you very much for sending this my way, and I can't wait to use this on my next cooking video would be. I have so many pans now. I thank you very much once again. And let's see, I think that's all for today, folks. Thanks for joining with me, and I hope you have a nice day. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Fantasize.